Apple's annual WWDC event is just around the corner, and with the tech titan keeping things mysterious as always, fans are doing all they can to find hints at what's in store. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. First of all, this year's logo has grabbed people's attention as it supposedly reveals a major clue about Apple's latest innovation. For a while, it seemed like Apple was beginning to stagnate, but its new Gen Z brand direction has given it a new lease of life filled with personality, playfulness, and color. Fans have already been theorizing that Apple's adorable new mascot, Lil Finder Guy, could be the next Siri, and with WWDC rumors predicting a major revamp for the new iOS27, it looked like fans might be betting on the right rumor with their money. This year's WWDC logo looks pretty unassuming at first, but fans speculate that one detail offers a sneaky hint at Apple's new iOS innovation. It's all about the glow. In his Power On newsletter, tech journalist Mark Gurman claimed iOS27 will include a fresh Siri interface in the dynamic island, accompanied by a new glowing cursor. Gurman reports this thin glow motif will appear around the edges of the dynamic island when Siri is called upon and in the search bar of a new pre-installed Siri app coming to iOS 27. These are just the rumors heard from here and there. A lot of the exciting stuff still remains to be unveiled at WWDC, which will commence on June 8th, running through to June 12th. So Apple fans, mark your calendars right now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.